This is not an electric car. This is the Quest 2. And the reason I'm going to be talking about it today is because, like most of you, I'm a bit of a gadget geek. And this Quest 2, in my mind, is the end of console gaming. So stick around for today's video to find out why.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Now, if you're not a regular subscriber of mine, I am Nicolas Raimo. I make videos about electric vehicles in particular, but I like to do anything that's a bit gadgety, and this Quest 2 definitely fits those needs. If you don't know what a Quest 2 is, Quest is a virtual reality headset that does not require a gaming computer or gaming console. It's a standalone device with absolutely no wires and completely battery powered. It's basically got a really powerful mobile phone in the front of the headset here, and then you put it on and you can use your hands. There is some hand tracking stuff, but there's mainly two controllers that you hold physically in your hands. So it's a bit like having a portable Xbox that's 3D on your head and gives you amazing depth of field when you're inside it. It's really the dream of all gadget owners, and I honestly thought I was going to buy it and send it back because I was going to be severely disappointed. Well, I'm not, but let me give you a couple of issues I've found with it before we get into the gameplay and what it's actually like. So a couple of issues with it. One, when you get the box, there's not really much in it. It's quite a fancy looking box, and I'm not one for unboxing videos, so this is the quickest sped up footage I have of the unboxing. You basically get the headset and the two remotes and some instructions that nobody needs. Nobody needs instructions in their life. And you get a cable for charging it, which is USB-C, and a USB-C block for charging it. Now, after using the headset for a couple of hours, there's a couple of issues I found. Number one issue I found is that these two really hard pieces of plastic really dig into your head and start to hurt after a while. They don't always hurt, so it might have something to do with the way I've had it adjusted on my head and the way this top strap works. However, it hurts enough that I've ordered the Elite strap that's coming, and the Elite strap battery, because I believe it adds a counterweight to this front thing, so it will hurt less. So that's coming. If you want me to do a review on what I think about that when I get that, then let me know. I might just do a little special Wednesday video all about that. Or we could do Tech Tuesday and add it on a Tuesday or something like that. But yeah, they really start to hurt. The IPD rating, or IP rating, which is the setting between your two pupils, the distance of your pupils and your eyes. It only has 3 settings. You can't set the exact settings of your pupils. I tend to find that I'm between a 1 and a 2, so I have quite close together eyes. Some people, like my father-in-law, have sloth eyes, so he's on setting 3. He's got really wide eye vision. So it does tend to work for most people, but you can't really accurately pin it down, which is a little bit annoying. I know why Oculus have done it. It's to bring down the cost of this thing. $299 for this is extremely cheap. The predecessor of this, the Oculus standard, was dearer by over 100 quid. So the fact that this is £100 cheaper and better just goes to say. And the reason it is better is the screen's better inside. Resolution, it's more powerful on the graphics card as well, and built into this sort of, like I said, like a mobile phone, but it's all embedded. So that's more powerful, but they've done stuff to cheapen with the straps and the IPD rating and just little bits and bobs to save some money. But overall, it's a really good headset. Now, graphics wise, looking into this, like I said, I've not got an Oculus One, I've not got an Oculus Go. I've never used a VR since I was 12, and the graphics were pixelated. But I occasionally play video games, I occasionally play games on an Xbox. I haven't got a 4K TV, I've just got a standard HD 1080p TV because my old TV's not broke, so I don't throw stuff away because that's the way I roll with the environment. This is a better resolution than my TV. I believe it's 2K per eye, so for me it's fantastic quality. It's better than what I'm used to. I've watched a couple of movies in it, I've watched various things, but what's the gameplay like? Now, what's really important to tell you before I put the headset on and show you the gameplay, this is a zombie game, so if you don't want to watch me play a zombie game, don't watch it. The headset here, I'm going to try and sync the sound up as best I can with the recorded video that I'm going to record in the game. there is fake walls that you can make in Oculus. You can play some of the game stationary. I'm playing it in the showroom because it's a large space and I can demonstrate it better. But I've set fake boundary walls up so I can't walk into anything. It tells me you see the fake wall. It physically feels like an actual wall, even though it's just a fake VR wall. And if you walk through it, which I won't be able to demonstrate on this headset, it will then show me using cameras on the outside of here the real life thing. So if I pop this on for a second, and there's a fake wall right here, and it moves that way, and if I poke my head through the wall like that, I can see that the camera is there. Just to prove that I can see the camera, I'm going to move right up to it and wave at you, and then I'm going to move away and go back in this fake wall. And basically I can walk around this fake wall as if I'm in a real, this is really weird, as if I'm in a real VR space. I'm going to try and get this game recorded so you can actually see the footage of me doing it. So that should be recorded. Yep, that's recorded. So I can walk around my fake game. On here I've got a backpack. Your camera's over there. On here I've got a backpack. Put the backpack on my back. I've got a gun down here that I can pick up. I've got a blade that I can pick up there. I've got a torch. That's you know, very convenient, goes in with my EV Life, which is powered by shaking it. I'm going to walk this way so you can walk using the controller, and I don't want to show too much of the game just in case you are thinking of buying one of these headsets. And if you are thinking of buying one, there's an Octopus referral, not an Octopus referral link. If you are thinking of buying one of these, there is a referral link to Amazon to get one on my bottom of my description. This game is very, very creepy to play, especially when you're in the showroom completely on your own and it's at night and no one's in. And yeah, this is how weird this game is. So yeah, you can see the graphics are fairly good. I can move the hands in front of my face. I am not looking at the camera, you are over there. I can move the camera in front of the hand in front of my face like that. See that? And it's really quite an unusual experience to play in VR. Really unusual. And I think someone's in the showroom, hold on. No one's in the showroom, I'm just freaking myself out. So if you are thinking of getting one of these, they are great fun. There's loads of free content, there's loads of bits to do on it. If you're a gadget geek like me, you'll enjoy it. I'm going to be using it for virtual desktop and also basically doing some large video editing and previewing YouTube videos. I may get a 360-degree camera for doing some content on YouTube. If you're interested in seeing stuff like that, I might do that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what this was. I thought for $299, this is an absolute bargain. And if I was thinking of buying an Xbox X or one of these, I'd buy one of these. This is the most fun I have ever had since I was a kid. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. If you're thinking of buying one of these, please use the Amazon referral link down below, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye.